Everybody likes Airdrop, and now you can earn airdrops through Binance. Let's dive into the latest innovation from Binance. Binance Megadrop. But what is Binance Megadrop? Binance Megadrop is a new token launch platform that integrates Binance Simple Earn and Binance Web3 wallet. So Binance is basically reinventing the airdrop experience, making it possible for Binance users to get access to Web3 project airdrop directly from Binance. And the greatest part is that you get access to those Web3 projects right before they are listed on Binance. How does it work? It's very simple. So you have to lock BNB on Binance platform for a fixed period of time. From Binance, you go on the menu, you click on Megadrop, and there you can see the Web3 project that is currently ongoing, which is BounceBit. BounceBit is a BTC restaking protocol, and to participate in the airdrop you can either go directly from the Megadrop page or you can go from the Simple Earn page. Once you click on subscribe, you can lock your tokens for 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days or 120 days. In this case I'm selecting 15 days, and on top of the rewards I will get from Binance Simple Earn on my BNB, I will participate on the airdrop, and on top of that I will participate also on Binance Launch Pool. So using Megadrop you're actually getting so much from your token. In this case, as you can see, I'm eligible for 0.6% for staking my tokens. I'm eligible for the launch pool, which is currently ongoing on Binance, and I'm also eligible for the current airdrop. The auto subscribe feature allows you to subscribe automatically to Binance Simple Earn for the same duration you selected after the ending of your period. So for example, now I'm locking my tokens for 15 days, and after the 15 days they will be automatically locked again for 15 days. So in this case, I have the chances to withdraw my tokens every 15 days. With the auto subscribing feature, I'm not losing any reward. But you can decide by yourself the amount of time you want to lock your token. As it is explained on the page, the amount of token received by the airdrop is directly correlated with the amount of BNB that you stake, the duration time of your stake, and whether you participate or not on Web3 quests. On each Megadrop page, quests are included to boost your reward. In this case with BounceBit, the quest is about staking on BounceBit, and completing the quest allows you to get a 1.5x on the points you are earning plus 1000 points. And the total amount of the points you earn will determine the amount of tokens you will receive as an airdrop. So it's important to both stake BNBs on the platform plus participating on Web3 quests. So that's all for this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and see you in the next video.